Welcome to our video on 5 surprising foods that will keep your heart healthy. Maintaining proper heart health is crucial for overall well-being, and many factors contribute to it. Today, we will focus on 5 unexpectedly beneficial foods that can significantly impact your cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease. Our heart is a vital organ, continuously pumping blood throughout our bodies. To keep it healthy and functioning optimally, it's important to follow a heart-healthy diet. Apart from the usual recommendations of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, several surprising foods can actively contribute to a healthy heart. Let's dive in and explore these unexpected options. 1. Dark chocolate. Yes, that's right. Dark chocolate, when consumed in moderation, can benefit your heart health. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants called flavonols, which have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. Remember, opt for dark chocolate with a high percentage of cocoa to reap the benefits without excessive added sugar. 2. Avocado. Avocado is a versatile and delicious fruit that is a fantastic addition to any heart-healthy diet. It is packed with monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Avocados are a great way to promote heart health, whether enjoyed in salads, sandwiches, or as guacamole. 3. Oats. Start your day right with a bowl of oats. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and maintain a healthy heart. They also contain antioxidants and other nutrients that contribute to heart health. Whether it's a warm bowl of oatmeal or a nutritious granola bar, oats are an excellent addition to your heart-healthy diet. 4. Salmon. Salmon, a fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, makes it onto our list of surprising heart-healthy foods. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Aim to consume fatty fish like salmon at least twice weekly for maximum heart health benefits. 5. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your heart. They are packed with antioxidants called polyphenols, which have been shown to improve heart health by decreasing inflammation and reducing high blood pressure. Remember, maintaining a nutritious diet is a key component of heart disease prevention. By incorporating these unexpected options into your meals, you can actively contribute to your heart's well-being and cardiovascular health. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Until next time, take care and prioritize your heart health.